Now first example is calculate NDP at FC. I think question is visible on the screen. You can write this question in your register. Now we'll move to solution of this question. Now students, in class 12 board exam, marks are allotted for every step that you write. So follow the steps. Now first step is, what you have to do is that we have the value of GNP at MP that you have to write first. From that aggregate, we are asked or we have to calculate NDP at FC. Now remember, always you have to write the value of aggregate that you have it in the question first. From that, whatever is asked, that you will write on the second. Now after it, second step will be substituting it with formulas again. GNP at MP, we have the value given in the question, that is 8,000. Now how will you write the formula? You have to think it in this manner. First letters G, this arrow indicates 2, TO2. So G to N, which means gross, to net. I said difference between gross and net is depreciation. So G to N is minus depreciation. Second one, national. Second letter is national. N, that is national, and D, that is domestic. National to domestic is NFIA. So again, from broader concept, if you are calculating narrow one, you have to use minus sign, minus NFIA. The last one, MP market price to FC factor cost. Again, it is minus NIT. Now, if you could write both these steps very correctly, including the sign that is used, then your answer will be perfectly right. Now, the third step is very simple. Substitute the values 8,000 minus 600 minus 300 minus 700. So, you will get your answer as 6,400. Okay, now one more question. I'm trying to make you understand. Calculate GNP at FC. I think question is visible on the screen. You can see to it. Write down. Now solution for this. First step, as I said, you have the value of NDP at MP. So that you write it first. From NDP at MP, we have to calculate GNP at FC. After writing, second step will be little bit in detail. You have to write the formula. 25,000, that is the value for NDP at MP. Now how will you write the formula? N to G is plus depreciation, D to N is plus NFIA, MP to FC is minus NIT. Same formula, we have changed the sign here because now from narrow concept we are getting a broader concept. We are asked to calculate broader concept. So instead of minus, we will use plus over there. Third step is substituting the values. 25,000, again you bring it down. Value for depreciation is plus 5,000. Now NFIA, as I told you earlier, NFIA is equal to FIFA minus theta minus NIT, as I told you, it is indirect tax minus subsidies. So you have supposed to write at least the short forms of the formula. Okay, now then next step is fully substituting the values. 25,000 plus 5,000, FIFA is 400 and theta is 600. Indirect tax value is not given. It's always good because students are very careless. So you use 0 over there to avoid the mistake that you may make in sign. So it's good to write 0 over there. Minus value of subsidies is given, that is 30. When you calculate it, what you get will be 29,830. Now with this, the first part of conversion of numerical is over. Thank you.